घंटे का समा जिहड़ा वो मिथ्या गया सी कि 7 घंटे प्रीखिया सोध बिल के उत्ते चर्चा होएगी। सो राज सभा तो सीधियां तस्वीरां सामने आ रही ने, तुहानूं लैके चलदे हां राज सभा। सोध एक्ट नूं लैके नवीं जानकारियां सामने आईयां ने। दरअसल बेअदबी एक्ट सोध मामले दे विच सो बड़ी खबर इस समय की 7 घंटे ये जिहड़ी राज सभा दे विच प्रीखिया सोध बिल के उत्ते चर्चा होएगी और एक संसद दे मॉनसून सैशन दे विच अज उहदा 9वां दिन है और राज सभा दे विच प्रीखिया सोध बिल पेश किया जा रहा है और बिल दे उत्ते चर्चा दे लई 7 घंटियां दा समा जिहड़ा है वो मिथ्या गया है और बिल ते चंगी अते सार्थक चर्चा की उम्मीद जिहड़ी है वो जताई जा रही है। सो इस समय की बड़ी खबर तुहानूं दस रहे हैं जिहड़ी कि राज सभा तो सामने आ रही है। राज सभा दे विच प्रीखिया सोध बिल दे उपर चर्चा जिहड़ी है वो लगातार चल रही है। तो राज सभा दे विच केंद्रीय
few vested interests, and to ensure that their future would not be jeopardized by self-seeking.
Your party is having sufficient time. You can give notes to your speakers and you can speak also. Please wait.
The more
please
you
take your
admit
seat.
that you had a
Pankaj, you
reason
take
of
your
not
seat.
bringing it National Testing
No
Agency
running commentary,
for
please.
53 years. Just as they took 70 years to erase out Article 370, which was their commitment, they took 33 years not to bring in National Testing Agency. And now that this is being brought, the clamor is not against the bill. The clamor is against that interest which is going to get compromised hereafter.
You are the protectors of paper leak mafia. That's
Yes.
This will not go on record. The running commentaries will not
Very
go on
fact.
record. Only the minister's speech will go on record.
The government's intention is evident from the fact that
You
the
can speak
moment
everything when you
the recent leak was
when
reported.
you are going to speak, when your turn is coming, why you are giving running commentary, please? Minister, please.
Yes. No, I don't get disturbed. In fact, I feel complimented. That means it is touching the right chord. सही जगह पे निशाने पे तीर लग रहा है। जो मैं ये स्मरण कराने की कोशिश कर रहा हूं कि 33 साल तक जो ये काम ना कर सके वो आज अंजाम होने जा रहा है। लेकिन मुझे यकीन है इस देश में कुछ ऐसे भी कुछ बुद्धिजीवी थिंकर होंगे जो इसका भी आंकलन करेंगे कि 33 साल वो क्या कारण थे जिस कारण से ये नेशनल टेस्टिंग एजेंसी स्थापित ना की गई। वो कौन से वेस्टेड इंटरेस्ट थे, वो कौन से मैनेजमेंट कोटा थे कॉलेजों के। And as far as the recent case is concerned, immediately it was handed over to the CBI. It is being followed as per the Prevention of Unfair Means. And day 4 yesterday, the charge sheet was filed. And I'm glad to share that from yesterday, the trial has begun. As per this new law, the investigation will be complete in 2 months, followed by trial in 3 months, 5 mahine. We did not allow indefinitely running trials, which was happening in the earlier governments. अगर कहीं मजबूरी में कोई केस दायर करना भी पड़ता तो इट वाज मोर ऑफ एन एग्जिट रूट और फेस सेविंग with the firm belief that you will never come to the conclusion. मैं उसका भी बताऊंगा, but I'll speak elaborately during reply. What he is saying is, I thought Jairam ji is a very well-read person, but possibly he has not read the news report in full. Mukhia was never implicated in 2026 case. A, he was also not implicated in 2024 leak. While rounding up, मैं आपने पढ़ी थी खबर, while rounding up, since he was a known scamster in Bihar for paper leak, so when they were rounding up the suspects, he was also taken in. But per se in this case, he was not involved. And that is the report. I thought you read more than me, but today I am glad that I read more than Jairam ji. Anyway, so sir, without wasting time then, because we have to go in for discussion, a number of speakers, and finally we'll also have the concluding remarks. Just to spell out briefly in 5 minutes these important provisions that are being brought in, just the call of the fellow speakers as well. In the earlier bill of 2024, we had the subsection 1 of section 10, where a person or persons involved were subject to 3 to 5 years of imprisonment and a fine up to 10 lakh. This has been increased to imprisonment of 5 to 10 years and a fine up to 50 lakh. As far as the service provider is concerned, now if Jairam ji has not read that, I will read out. What is the definition of service provider? नहीं, क्योंकि आप ही बार बार टोक रहे और कह रहे हैं आपको ज्यादा. Service provider means any agency, any organization, any body, any association of persons, any business entity, any company, any partnership or single proprietorship, any sub-associates, any subcontractors, any provider of sport, of any computer resource or any material, by whatever name it may be called, which is engaged by the Public Examination Authority for the conduct of public examination. So this was a definition given in 24 itself, but just to recall. Now, in 24, the penalty laid down was fine up to ₹1 crore and barring them from conducting an exam for 4 years. This fine is now being increased to 5 years, and the concerned would not be allowed to conduct an exam instead of 4 years for as long as 8 years. Subsection 3 of section 10, director or senior management in connivance. Imprisonment earlier was 3 to 10 years in 24, now it is being increased to 5 to 10 years. Fine was up to 1 crore, it is now being increased to 5 crore. And organized crime, the mafias, which sometimes prompt us to oppose the bill. Mafia is a larger nexus. It could involve persons from the business community, persons from the crime world, and persons from public life also sometimes, unfortunately. And the echo buzzes all around. And for this organized crime committers, the imprisonment earlier was 5 to 10 years. It is being increased to 7 to 10 years. And fine was earlier not less than 1 crore. It is now being increased to 10 crore. And most importantly, there is a provision of special fast-track court, so that the powers that be do not find an exit in filing a case, sleeping over it, and allowing the same malaise to continue as was happening before 2014. The special task force, this is a new provision involved, and therefore in the Act we are adding section 12A, a new section. The investigation could be conducted by a police officer, could be conducted by a central agency, if the government chooses to refer, as has been done in the current case, and also by a special task force, namely the STF. And the investigation will have to be completed within a period of 2 months, followed by trial within a period of 3 months, so that the special fast-track court will be able to exclusively deal with this. The special prosecutors will be nominated or appointed in consultation with the concerned High Court, and on justifiable grounds alone, the appeal provision is laid down, not in normal cases, that too to the double bench of the High Court. And beyond 30 days, unless the High Court is satisfied, it would not be possible to file an appeal, and in no case beyond 90 days. Now, may I also add over here that in the course of these few days when the bill was in process, it was being put up in Lok Sabha, it was being taken up in discussion, the action has simultaneously started. We requested the Ministry of Law, and I'm glad the Department of Justice has already set up 6 special fast-track courts in this country. More are in the making. One of them is Delhi, where the trial has started yesterday in the current case. The other one is Mumbai, then in Calcutta or Kolkata, 4th for Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Uttarakhand, and more are incoming. And as you all know, Prime Minister made this announcement and also said this in a video. हर जगह होगा, हर जगह होगा. ये तो अभी हमने तुरंत ये इसलिए किया कि दिल्ली का केस था तो इस 6 जगह हो गया. A task force has been appointed with Nandan Nilekani, the co-founder of Infosys, S. Somanath, former chairman ISRO, Tapan Dekka, ex-DIP, Dr. V. Kamakoti, Director IIT Madras, Chennai, Anita Karwal, former Secretary Education, and Amrita Lal, Meena, logistics expert. And repeatedly it was said that immediately for going into the vision provisions of the National Testing Agency, I don't know how this misconception has been sought to be created, that the Radhakrishnan Committee, which was set up in 2024, the recommendations have not been implemented. I would like to share with this August House that out of the 46 key recommendations, 35 already stand implemented, that is more than 76%. And therefore, the government is in right earnest with all the sincerity at its command, bringing in this amendment, and I'm sure no member will have any reason to object to this, and if you have an objection, I'm afraid the countrymen will be having objections for you.
Now the motion is moved. Honorable members, I draw your kind attention to the rules 235 and 238 of the rules of procedures. Honorable members are requested to adhere to the said rules while being present in the chamber or during their speeches. Further, those portions of the speeches made in contravention of the rules shall not form the part of the records. And I request all the members on both sides, there are elegant, very good and efficient speakers. Let them speak. Please don't make a running commentary. If your prime speaker is missing any point, you can make a note and send it to him, and so that we will have a very fruitful discussion. That is my humble request to all of you. Now,
Sir, one point. Sir.
Yes.
Sir, the leader of the House and the leader of the opposition are institutional positions.
Right.
Time is allocated to them in terms of the positions they occupy. So I request that the leader of the opposition be given special time and not be factored in as part of the time for the Indian National Congress.
Okay. No, please. Let him speak. Let him speak. If he really requires extra time, we will consider it.
It is an established system that whether it's the leader of the House or leader of the opposition, when they speak on behalf of the party, the time is allocated, it is counted in the time allotted to the party. However, looking at the position, being the leader of the House and leader of opposition, they always enjoy some privileges, and I have seen the Honorable Chair has always given that courtesy. But what I want to say is opposition leader represents entire opposition party, and leader of the House represents entire House. And that part we will always ensure from our side. And only when there is some kind of remarks which is objectionable, then only our members rise and object. Otherwise, leader of opposition is always given due respect.
I now call upon the members whose names have been received for participation in the discussion. Leader of the opposition, Shriman Mallikarjun Kharge ji. Please take your seat. Please take your seat. Nothing will go on record except Kharge ji's speech. Don't get agitated. Let us hear the points of the speakers. Please listen.
धन्यवाद सर, आपने मुझे बोलने का मौका दिया और आपने सविस्तर से सुनने का भी बात यहाँ पर रखी, इसीलिए मैं अपने बात को ठीक ढंग से रखूंगा और मैं यही चाहता हूं कि सरकार के लोग ठीक से सुने और इसका उत्तर वो ठीक से दे, यही मेरी अपेक्षा है और आप मुझे डेफिनेटली सपोर्ट करेंगे, ये मेरी आशा है। सर, मैं शुरू करता हूं मैं शुरू करता हूं, पेपर चुराने वाले बचते रहे, पेपर चुराने वाले बचते रहे, मेहनत करने वाले पीटते रहे, ये कैसा न्याय, ये कैसी रीत, गुनाहगार हंसते रहे, मासूम सिसकते रहे। यानी मासूम लोग आज मासूम, तो ठीक है, आपका हिंदी बहुत अच्छा होगा, आपका हिंदुस्तानी भी अच्छा होगा, मेरा भी थोड़ा हिंदुस्तानी सुनिए। सर, मैं ये इसलिए कह रहा हूं कि पेपर लीक होने से कितने मासूम लोगों का नुकसान हुआ और कितने लोग पीटे गए, कितने माँ बाप परेशान हैं, कितने औरतें बच्चे परेशान हैं, इसको जाहिर करने के लिए ये बात मैंने आपके सामने रखी। सभापति जी, आप अभी पब्लिक एग्जामिनेशन अमेंडमेंट बिल 2026 में जो जहां चर्चा के लिए आई है, उसमें सिर्फ आंकड़े बदले हैं। मेरे पास पूरा ये है बिल, तो